Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to make background removal easier with mask overlay. Open your image and make a quick selection of the subject using the Quick Selection tool. Don't worry about perfection. Open Select and Mask and switch to Mask Overlay mode to clearly identify background areas. Use the Brush tool to paint over background sections you want to remove. The colored overlay helps you avoid cutting into the subject by mistake. For tricky edges, zoom in and reduce brush size. Adjust edge detection settings to improve accuracy around complex shapes. A useful